everybody, Jamie at shopmasc.com. Welcome to another MASC Minute. So Marvis is an Italian toothpaste brand that we've been carrying since we opened back in 2007. And they recently added 4 new flavors to their lineup, so there now are a total of 14 different flavors to choose from. The 4 new flavors are, I'm just going to grab them here and show them to you. Black Forest, Anise Mint, Orange Blossom, and Sweet and Sour Rhubarb. So as you can see, the tubes are really cool. They look cool if nothing else, but Marvis is one of those toothpastes that you really have to try to understand why people love it so much. The flavors are really unique. It's an explosion of flavor in the mouth, one might say, and they leave your mouth feeling really, and your teeth feeling really, really clean. So it's sort of a hard thing to go back to drugstore brand toothpaste once you've tried these. One thing to note, especially if you are a regular user of Marvis and are thinking of trying one of these new flavors, is that these 4 new flavors do contain fluoride, which is a deviation from the other 10 flavors that they currently have. So just something to be aware of if you're anti-fluoride. If you're not, then it doesn't matter. So yeah, if you're looking for a cool new toothpaste to try or a cool new flavor, check them out at shopmasc.com, the Marvis toothpaste, and they are in our store in Vancouver as well. Thanks for listening.